So Judah, I have some friends. They're members of credit unions, and they really like working with their local bank. And I've seen a lot of them go out and just get mortgages without shopping around. What are the advantages of talking also to a mortgage broker?
Well, the great thing about working with a mortgage broker is we know which of those local banks are looking to do what type of loans at any one time. Different banks specialize in doing different types of mortgages, and different banks will give different rates on different types of mortgages. Oftentimes, I can also get loans approved for people at a bank where they were just turned down the month before because we know how to package the loan, we know what the good things and the bad things to present to the bank are, and we also know, most importantly, who to talk to at the bank, who the relationship is, who the contact point is that we should talk to get your mortgage done.
But you're a middleman. Isn't it going to be more expensive to
go? A lot of the banks that we work with, they appreciate the work that we do. They appreciate the business that we take to them. They appreciate that we've already pulled the credit and stacked the file and done a lot of their pre-underwriting and things like that. And so very frequently, they will cut and reduce their fees when it's something that is coming from a broker such as myself.
So they'll wholesale it to you for a lower rate than they'd give maybe my friend off the street.
Because I'm not part of any of the big banks' overhead, because I'm not part of their liability, their office and desk space and things like that, they sell me money at a discount, which I can then pass along and sell to people. And it's always cheaper to work with a broker, as crazy as that sounds, because I deal with the wholesale side of the banks, not the retail side of the banks.
Even with all the last few years have been real rough, there's kind of a stigma with mortgage brokers. Can you speak to how the industry is cleaning itself up a little bit?
Absolutely. The mortgage industry is really cleaning itself up, and for the first time, the legislation that's coming out of Washington is treating mortgage brokers, mortgage lenders, and mortgage bankers the same. We now have to abide by a lot of the same rules. A lot of loan officers who work for banks really aren't happy with it because they now are actually getting treated the way us loan officers have for a long time, which is a good thing, that we have to prove that we're reputable and we have to prove that we know what's going on, and we have to give full disclosure to the borrower as far as what the costs associated with the loan are.
Okay, great. Thanks.